Hi my YT family, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have compiled gorgeous and beautiful braids for you. Ponytail braids has been in vogue for a very long time. Yes, I don't think it's gonna go out of fashion anytime soon, but our stylists, they've been able to have a way to make it look different, make it stand out, like what you see right now. The stitches, ponytail braids, the jumbo stitches ponytail braids. Back in the days, ponytails wasn't made this way, but this is the new way of wearing your ponytail. And I also love this blue braids. This is so beautiful. Yeah, braid cornrow can be so beautiful, but sometimes I find it difficult to make it because of my edges, kind of like makes the edges break. Yeah, depends on your hair texture, but it's really beautiful. And I also love this cornrow braids with want to look like I don't know the right word to use for it. And I noticed something about knotless braid. It makes the braids not too bulky, so it makes it scanty, and I love braids that are so scanty, and that is why I find it difficult to make these knot braids, kind of make the braids look so much on your head. Yeah, I love this wine color. I think I'm gonna make this hair my next braid. I'm gonna use sharp wine color, more like in between red and wine. Yeah, I also love this cornrow. This is beautiful. Yeah, and also the color look like a mixture of lilac and black, kind of suits her complexion. And I love the beads, the beads they use in styling the braids. Yeah, so this is more like a distress braid, but the jumbo distress braid, this is so long. Yes guys, I have a beautiful hairstyle here. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe, and don't forget this video is for educational purpose, to give you styles ideas for you to rock that special occasion. I'll see you right after this video. thank you guys for watching my video down to this stage. If you know you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Yes, give my video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's very important to subscribe. Yes, subscribe, like, and also share this video. Share my channel, my video to any community you belongs to. And also, if you're a hairstylist, you want me to feature your hairstyle in my channel, yes, do well to send me DM on my Instagram handle. Yes, my Instagram handle is in my about section or in the description section. Yes, send me a DM. And don't forget, this video, my channel is all about promoting hairstyle, African hairstyle, for you to look beautiful, to rock that special occasion. Yes, so guys, thank you for watching my video, and hopefully I'm going to see you in my next upload. Stay tight and remain blessed. Bye bye.